In the world of medical imaging and scientific research, the difference between a blurry observation and a breakthrough discovery lies in the absolute precision of image restoration. Welcome to a deep dive into the latest research from the Journal of Biotechnology and its applications, exploring the frontiers of digital clarity. This significant study is authored by Gengsheng L. Zheng from the Department of Computer Science at Utah Valley University. For years, the total variation, or TV norm, has been the most common regulator for controlling noise and enforcing sharp edges during iterative image restoration. It has served as the backbone for countless imaging tasks, providing a reliable way to maintain structure while reducing unwanted digital artifacts. However, while effective, traditional TV norms can sometimes struggle to maintain the absolute sharpness required in the most complex image denoising tasks. To address this challenge, this paper proposes an innovative exponential version of the TV norm, designed for superior edge preservation. This exponential regulator behaves similarly to the LP norm for values between 0 and 1, offering a unique mathematical advantage in image processing. Most importantly, it promotes sharp image edges significantly better than the popular TV norm, ensuring no detail is lost to smoothing. Despite its sophisticated performance, this exponential TV version is remarkably easy to implement within existing restoration and denoising frameworks. The study utilizes rigorous computer simulations to compare the effectiveness of the traditional TV regulator against this new exponential counterpart. By focusing on the critical task of image denoising, the research demonstrates real-world performance gains in achieving piecewise-constant images. The results are clear. The exponential regulator is more effective at obtaining high-quality results than the popular TV regulator we use today. This advancement provides a superior tool for researchers and medical professionals who require the highest possible level of image clarity for their work. Its ease of implementation, combined with enhanced edge preservation, makes it a powerful new standard for the future of image restoration. As we move toward more precise digital diagnostics, innovations like the exponential TV norm will lead the way in scientific excellence. To explore the full depth of this research, find the complete article in the latest issue of the Journal of Biotechnology and its applications.